Welcome back. This is the part two of our discussion with Umar Shahid Hamid, the series which we've called Crime and Publishment. Umar, so,
क्राइम एंड पब्लिशमेंट
Nice play on words.
ये
Nicely done. Nicely
पता
done.
चलता है कि अली मंजूर ने अपनी जिंदगी जो है वो मार्केटिंग में गुजारी है.
Acha ji, Umar, so women and policing. Lately, a lot of people ask me, ki, ji, should women join police? But then we see like Sherbano in Lahore. I see Ghazala, the first woman police SHO of Clifton Police Station, where everybody told me she won't be able to do it, but she did a great job. She went to Daksha, she went to Style.
Shabana.
Shabana, right? The famous. So what is your view? Should they come into the police? Is it a career of choice? क्या आपका take है इस पर?
Yeah, why not? I mean, why should the police be restricted? Frankly, I never understood this limitation. As you may or may not know, so for those of us who joined the police through the civil services exam, right up till very recently, I think 2010-11, so that recently, uh, the police was of the various federal services. There was the women couldn't join the police, right? So, in fact, I remember that when we joined and went to the Civil Services Academy, there used to be a batchmate of mine who went into customs. She was from KPK, and she used to say कि यार मेरे जिंदगी का ambition था कि मैं पुलिस में आऊँ. And she was from rural KPK, and but at that time it was a no, right? I never understood that, why it was a no, because policing is, I think, a career. If you look at it across the board and across the world, women have been involved in policing for a long time, right? मतलब ये कोई अनहोनी सी बात नहीं है कि why are women not in the police, but I think certainly since this thing was lifted, so you now find a lot more officers, so the visibility increases. Obviously, you had women police officers at a more junior level, but now you find them as senior superintendents of police and is तरह की चीज़. So and a lot of them have done very, very well. I think the only caveat that I will put on that is this, that, and I've lectured about this at the police academy as well, that if you come in to the police as a woman, you should be prepared to do whatever that your male colleagues will do, right? So if they're being sent to a hard area, if they, you should not take this thing and say, "Ji, main to nahi ja sakti because I have a family issue," and all that, because that will damage not only you, it will damage all of those who come behind you. Because that's how stereotypes develop, right? कि वो लोग कहते हैं यार वो अच्छा, लेकिन वो लेडी SHO वो तो कर नहीं पाएगी वहाँ, अगर उसको मुश्किल थाने में भेज दिया, उसको मंगोपीर भेज दिया, क्योंकि फलां जो थी उसने तो ना कर दी थी कि जी वो मैं किस तरह वहाँ जाऊँ, और लेडी ASP वो तो कर नहीं सकेगी. So my only sort of piece of advice to these young women has always been that, look, it's a tough job, you should be prepared for that. And you should be prepared that if your male colleagues, or you should be prepared to do whatever your male colleagues are asked to do, right? So if the job means कि जी आपको बलूचिस्तान में आपकी posting होनी है, so that is what it is, right?
Yeah.
It's
So I'd agree with you that policing is a 48 hours a day job, if you look at it, right? And sometimes even 24 hours in a day is less, especially when you're working on high profile cases or, stressful cases.
If you look at content review sets, whether that's India, whether that's American content or British content or anywhere else, there are a lot of stories that are told that are actually set in the police or involve the police in some ways. And entire series, from Delhi Crime se lekar, Law and Order se lekar, even comedies like Brooklyn Nine-Nine. And that does, I think, serve to humanize the police
Absolutely.
as well,
Yeah.
and create an opportunity for people to consider, like, okay, this might be a good career option. Also, so do you think that is the case? That works? And why have we not done it?
200%. I think that's something that we have been very deficient in. If you look at countries across the world, चाहे आप ब्राज़ील को ले लो, चाहे आप इंडिया को ले लो, चाहे आप जापान ले लो, कोरिया ले लो, the West, the sort of police genre is a very established genre, right? And I think that portrayal of the police has helped in softening people's attitudes toward it, right? Across, and this is a very sort of a process that's a slow moving process and it's very under the radar sort of thing. But the fact that what it ends up doing is that if you're a kid watching these TV shows, the message you
Yeah.
walk away from is police good, criminals bad.
Exactly.
ठीक है police में they will show the police with warts and all as well, but bottom line यही आपको, that's what you walk away with. And I think we've missed a trick in not doing that. The encouraging thing is that now there seems to be a greater interest in doing that. I know that the current Inspector General, Ghulam Nabi Memon Saab, has been very proactive in promoting a kind of specialized media, this thing for the police, police portrayal on TV or on screen
Yeah.
or whatever. And that's something that was long overdue. I think we definitely needed to do it in order to change those sort of negative impressions that people have.
Biryani or burger?
कहाँ की बिरयानी?
Good point. Good point.
Lehari.
लियारी में बिरयानी अच्छी नहीं होती, खारादर की अच्छी होती
अच्छा, खारादर की
है. टेक्निकल
बिरयानी.
पॉइंट देखिए, मैंने आपको पकड़ लिया इस पर.
हाँ, तो you didn't answer the question. Biryani or burger?
Depends on where it comes from. No?
अच्छा जी. Tea or coffee?
As a police officer, I'm not a big tea drinker. आपको the stereotype is
चाय पानी.
कि चाय पानी भी तो होता ही है, लेकिन उसके अलावा you grow up on थाने की चाय, and it's sort of like tea that's been brewing for 200 years with plenty of भैंस का दूध in it. तो वो I've never been a fan. It's very heavy. So no, not really tea.
So, like, imagine you had to choose between a super tough police assignment and taking over the PCB. Which would you take? Which would you pick?
ये अच्छा है.
सुपर टफ पुलिस असाइनमेंट तो सबसे आसान काम है. पीसीबी तो बहुत का काम है.
Okay, good.
Acha, to ask a mother which child she loves the most is always a controversial one. So I'm going to ask you which 3 books you love the most, or which book do you love the most?
तेरी अपनी या
Yes,
दूसरों की?
अपनी.
He might start reading. You never know.
No, he won't. नहीं, गारंटी दे दो.
नहीं, I have all of his
इसको पीसीबी चेयरमैन बना दें तब भी ये नहीं पड़ेगा.
Because even mothers have their favorites. We all know that. So,
हाँ जी.
So I'll turn it around another way. I think I look at it from the point of view of which books I think I learned a lot from when I was writing them, right? And I think the Spinner's Tale, which was my second book, it was a very tough book to write because you kind of had to put yourself in the mind of a person who is a sort of sociopathic individual, which is totally alien to the sort of person I am. And so I think that book took me to a lot of dark places, but it improved me as a writer and maybe even as a person.
Wow.
So definitely the Spinner's Tale. Then I think the Party Worker, which was my third book, because the Party Worker is quintessentially Karachi. Na? It's all our experiences of Karachi in one sort of easy 317-page package. So इसलिए जिसको भी खरीदनी है पार्टी वर्कर लिबर्टी बुक से खरीद ले after this intro. So I think that one, and I think my latest one, every writer will obviously as a marketing ploy move towards it, but really because the election was so different, because I decided to write a humorous book, right? Satirical.
Yeah.
And it's kind of like yesterday a copy of it was lying, so I just picked it up, just like that. I'm not so megalomaniacal कि मैं अपनी ही किताबें पढ़ता हूँ. मैं आमतौर पर दूसरी किताबें पढ़ता हूँ, लेकिन खत्म हो गई थी. I'm between books, तो मैंने I read a couple of pages and it was laugh out loud funny. So it's just, and I had perhaps not even realized that when I was writing it. कि यार ये वाकई it's like hilarious. So from the point of view of just pure fun of writing a book, I'd pick The Election. Yeah.
So The Prisoner is being adapted, I've heard, into a web series, and tell us more about that experience. And I'm guessing the next book that you would want to get adapted would be one of these three.
I'm happy to have any book adapted. Whoever kind of comes up with an idea. I mean, I think The Fix, which is about fixing in women's
Yes.
cricket, it would be a fantastic book to adapt.
Yeah.
It would be superb, and I think if you look at it from a creative point of view, it would be if someone were to make a movie or a series or something out of
Yeah.
it would have these fantastic, very strong roles for female actors. Just a very strong story, and that'd be great. But मैं तो कह रहा हूँ कि मेरी तो झोली जो है वो फैलाई हुई है मैंने जो जिसको लेना है वो पैसे दे दे और अडेप्ट कर ले.
अच्छा,
I
अब
would
मुझे एक
pick
बात
The Fix as
बताइए.
well, I think, yeah.
अगर आप राइटर नहीं होते, आप पुलिस ऑफिसर नहीं होते, आप चेयरमैन पीसीबी नहीं होते, तो व्हाट वुड यू बी
Alternate आपकी यूनिवर्स क्या होती if you had?
इफ यू नॉट ऑल दीज थ्री थिंग्स? अब मैंने आपको देखी चेयरमैन पीसीबी भी बना दिया.
यार आप मतलब मेरे पीछे पड़ गए हैं. अब आप चेयरमैन पीसीबी मतलब जो बनते हैं उनको हम दुआएं दे सकते हैं, क्योंकि पीसीबी जैसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को संभालना भी एक
चैलेंज.
वो है, एक पूरी साइंस है. लेकिन आई थिंक I've been thinking about this recently. I think I would either like to be a actor, like
Unexpected.
Yeah.
I mean, बल्कि I was joking with my son the other day. मैंने कहा कि यार I'm thinking कि अब मैं एक और करियर चेंज करके एक्टिंग में चला जाऊँ.
तो हीरो बनना है या विलन?
No, always a sort of grey roles.
Like the Grey
Very
Zone?
appropriate
Yeah,
for the show.
grey zones, grey roles.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
The best kind of characters.
Yeah. And
अच्छा, message for young people. Anything.
read more.
Oh, thank God you said that. Yes.
Read anything. Doesn't
Yes.
matter what you read. It
100%.
does not matter what you
Yes.
read. आप comics पढ़ो, आप anime पढ़ो, आप
चाहे वो खवातीन डाइजेस्ट हो,
खवातीन डाइजेस्ट पढ़ो, आप जेन ऑस्टिन पढ़ो,
Yeah.
आप पढ़ो वो जो आपको समझ में आता है आप पढ़ो. Because I'll tell you why. It's I'm sure Brashna and many of those of us who actually read, Ali accepted, will stand by this. But it just opens up your world. It
Yes.
kind of takes you to different places. It opens up your mind. It kind of, I think all of us in Pakistan would benefit from reading a lot more.
Speaking of books, because I am a reader and a certified nerd, as Ali will say. If you had to recommend 3 books to me, not your own, other books that have made a difference to you, that influenced your writing, perhaps, which books would they be? Or writers?
The Godfather.
Ooh, good one.
I have read that.
या देखो
He's read it.
ये
Oh
इसने
my
भी
God.
पढ़ी हुई है. नहीं, फिल्म वर्जन नहीं भाई,
नहीं
400 पेज वाली
जी,
वर्जन.
not
Mario Puzo.
अच्छा पढ़ी है.
not the chat GPT
अच्छा
version.
चले इस इंटरव्यू के बाद आपकी जो है ना
जी,
पॉप
जी,
क्विज
नहीं,
करेंगे आप.
Honestly, what an amazing. Give him an offer.
The Godfather, and I'll also give you my reasons why. Because the beauty of that book is that the writer creates this world, and the shadings that he puts into that world
Yeah.
are so minute कि आपको लगता है वो किताब पढ़ते हुए कि आप वहाँ बैठे हैं, आप भी जो हैं वो स्पगेटी खा रहे हैं,
बिल्कुल.
आप भी वो उसके जो हैं वो अनियन तल रहे हैं उसकी ऑलिव ऑयल के अंदर. You feel like you're there, right? You can actually sort of
Every facet or whatever.
every facet of it, right?
Really
Yeah,
well,
it's a, and I think if a writer can do that, that's just like brilliant. One of the other ones that I think has influenced me, and I was actually a non-fiction book on cricket. It's by an American writer,
Oh.
Mike Marcuse, who decided and this is a true story, कि in 1996 क्रिकेट का वर्ल्ड कप हुआ पाकिस्तान, इंडिया और श्रीलंका में. Mike Marcuse was this weird American जो कि इंग्लैंड में रहता था and he fell in love with cricket. तो वैसे ही थोड़ा सा
Yeah.
चेरिया टाइप आदमी था. तो उसने कहा यार ये मैंने वर्ल्ड कप देखना है. तो उसने दुनिया के अजीब तरीन जो पब्लिकेशंस थी ना, इंटरनेट वीकली और पता नहीं प्लम्बर्स एनुअल, उनसे प्रेस एक्रेडिटेशन लेकर ही एक्चुअली गॉट टू सी to came to India and Pakistan to see the World Cup.
Oh wow.
Really?
And he kind of like tells the story of the World Cup. And you know, in that World Cup, there were a lot of subplots going on. Was Sri Lanka, दो ऑस्ट्रेलिया और वेस्ट इंडीज ने कहा हम श्रीलंका नहीं जाते, और उनका एक श्रीलंकन फॉरेन मिनिस्टर उसने कहा कि हम इसलिए नहीं जाते, हमें डर है. शेन वॉन सेड कि मुझे डर लगता है हम शॉपिंग नहीं जा सकेंगे. और जो श्रीलंकन फॉरेन मिनिस्टर था, ही सेड शॉपिंग इज फॉर सिसीज, हु इज कम फॉर शॉपिंग. तो वो इस तरह की चीजें वहाँ चल रही थी. And you know, Mike Marcuse comes to the subcontinent as this kind of like American, and he goes to all these various matches and looking at cricket through his eyes, looking at things like the India-Pakistan rivalry. So the book's called War Minus the Shooting, and that is a thing of उस वर्ल्ड कप में इंडिया पाकिस्तान का बहुत बड़ा वर्ल्ड कप का क्लैश क्वार्टर फाइनल में हुआ था जो हम हार गए थे. But you know, the title comes from that it's he sort of kind of makes this analogy that cricket to the subcontinent, it's war minus the shooting.
And the third book?
Third book, I guess third book tie hai. I'll have to think about that.
Okay, we keep
सोचना
it to
पड़ेगा.
two in.
हाँ, ये दो मतलब
Yeah.
because there are very strong reasons for these two, ना. तो
Yeah.
अच्छा, आपसे एक स्टोरी शेयर करूंगा एंड फिर उससे एक रिलेटेड सवाल भी करूंगा. सो आई ट्रैवल, माय पैशन फॉर पुलिसिंग, पीपल गो एंड ट्रैवल टू डिफरेंट प्लेसेस एंड दे गो टू डिफरेंट, यू नो, वो आई लाइक टू गो एंड चेक आउट पुलिस स्टेशंस wherever I go.
Like, you know, some people go to see museums, Adi goes to
Actually, I do that too.
Acha, you do?
Yeah,
Oh my god.
it's a weird thing, but I like to like
Okay,
yeah.
so I've been to Sri Lanka, Thailand, wherever you go, Pakistan, India, I haven't been but seen it in the movies. It's like the British left 70 odd years back, but the culture in the police stations is exactly the same. We've made these lines called borders, but they're exactly the same. वही पुरानी मोबाइल खड़ी होएगी, वही गंदे थाने होएंगे, यू नो दैट लोग, एक मैनुअल पुलिस स्टेशन होएगा, एक अगर घड़ी भी घूमी है किसी होटल में तो उसकी भी मैनुअल रिपोर्ट लिख के देनी है. Why is that none of these countries have been able to evolve as a whole out of this?
And is it a
Or you can even disagree with this.
yeah.
I mean, yeah.
is it a colonial legacy? Is it just a desi thing, or are we wrong about this premise and that things function differently elsewhere?
I think it's a colonial legacy that has taken on a desi life and become, you know, particularly desi. And I think you know, you're absolutely right that if you go anywhere in South Asia, you find the same deal. And in fact, agar aap you know, if you were to do like a breakup of policing cultures, right? So you'll actually find that the policing culture of, let's say, Punjab, our Punjab, and like Indian Punjab or Haryana is similar, and there'll be greater differences between the policing culture of Sindh and Punjab, or KPK and Punjab. But Punjab and Punjab across the other side, despite 78 years of a line being drawn, is actually is similar.
It's like two twins separated that look
Yeah.
exactly the same,
Yeah.
sort of
Yeah.
a
Yeah, you know, so that's it's very very fascinating that those things don't change. Unke jo their way of doing business, their way of even
interrogation techniques,
interrogation
investigation
techniques, even their way
policing.
of, you know, let's say illicit पैसे जमा करना भी जो है ना, वो भी more or less नीयत भी एक किस्म की है, और क्या कहते हैं methods भी एक किस्म के हैं. But it's one of those things, right, that when you talk about policing cultures develop, right? So a particular policing culture develops, and that culture is also very much a reflection of the sort of the geopolitics, or the geography of that land, right? So there's a reason why policing culture in, let's say, Japan would be very different to, and you know, people say हाँ हम यहाँ Japan बना देंगे, yeah, but like what they don't look in at is कि यार there's a reason why Japan or policing in Japan is and there's a sort of 400-500 year history of social history behind that, right? Similarly, there's a 400-500 year social history, even predating the British, of like why good or bad policing structures are the way they are in South Asia.
So this we try to foster critical thinking through the show. Do you think you're doing that through your books as well at some level?
You know, I think when you read, automatically it fosters critical thinking without, you know, sort of being designed to do so, because it opens up your mind, right? So it, you kind of like look at things and you start thinking about things differently कि अच्छा यार दुनिया में ऐसा भी होता है, वैसा भी होता है, ये होता है, वो होता है, इस तरह की चीज़. So that's why ये मैं इसलिए कहता हूँ कि जो हम ये बातें करते हैं ना, when we kind of go and say यार हमने ये करना है, हमने अपनी इमेज चेंज करनी है, या हमने क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग फॉस्टर करनी है, I mean, one of the easiest things to do in that is to kind of go on a national thing कि यार read more, कुछ भी पढ़ो, लेकिन पढ़ो.
अच्छा, एक बात बताइए, अगर आपको सोसाइटी में कोई एक चीज चेंज कर सकते, व्हाट वुड दैट बी? दैट वन थिंग यू वांट टू चेंज इन सोसाइटी.
यार आई थिंक हमारी सोसाइटी में एक बड़ा मसला है. मसला ये है, मतलब एक जो बड़ा मसला जो मैं समझता हूँ कि उसको बदलना चाहिए, वो ना, अगर आपने सुबह 7 बजे नाश्ते के लिए बर्गर खाना है तो आपको कहीं नहीं मिल सकता. हमारा मसला ये है कि हमने खाने के जो टाइमिंग्स है ना उसमें फिक्स कर दिए हैं कि जी आपने सुबह को पाए या निहारी मिलेंगे, या अंडा पराठा मिलेगा, या हलवा पूरी मिलेगा. भाई अगर मुझे हलवा पूरी रात के 10 बजे खाना है तो, या मुझे बर्गर सुबह खाना है. वन ऑफ द व्हेन आई वाज वर्किंग इन इंग्लैंड, one things I loved was there was a place near my office, तो वो वहाँ सुबह को ना 8 बजे भी आप बर्गर खा सकते हैं नाश्ते के लिए.
वाह.
ये हमारी जो मेंटल ब्लॉक है ना अबाउट टाइमिंग्स ऑफ फूड, ये हमें तोड़ना पड़ेगा.
मुआशरा गलत
You know,
सांचों में
that's
फंस
a-
गया उमर.
ये
It's a very
हाँ,
deep thought. I got me thinking now.
ये थोड़ी सी फ्री थिंकिंग
मैंने तो
करनी
आपसे
पड़ेगी.
सवाल पूछा था,
Absolutely.
बर्गर और बिरयानी, आपने तो बर्गर को नाश्ते में लिया.
नहीं मतलब
या अल्लाह.
भाई अगर आपने बिरयानी सुबह को खानी है तो कोई गुनाह है क्या? कहीं लिखा हुआ है कि सिर्फ लंच पर होती है बिरयानी?
बिल्कुल आपने
Why
सही
not?
बोला. यानी सोसाइटी में जो आपको इशू नजर आता है वो ये है कि सुबह बर्गर नहीं मिलता है यहाँ पे.
See, why can't we? You know, it's a valid point. Why can't we have a burger or biryani for nashta? Yeah, halwa puri for dinner.
Umar in an
or-
alternative
लेकिन जो
universe should open a
जो
restaurant.
जो पाकिस्तान में जिस चीज की जरूरत है ना, you know, like you have these the concept of diners in America, right? कि they're 24 hours
Yeah.
and you can go and eat, you know, breakfast for
Yeah.
dinner and dinner for breakfast, whatever. हमें पाकिस्तानी डाइनर बनाना है जहां आप जाओ और
What an
वहां
idea.
आप जो है ना, आपको अगर चाय के टाइम पर निहारी खानी है आप खा लो, और आपने मतलब सुबह को बिरयानी खानी है आप खा लो. आई थिंक इट वुड चेंज पाकिस्तान.
I think we're also
So-
fostering in alternative careers. बताइए.
Yeah, on that point, like, what's next for Mashhad Hamid? Is it like opening a diner, becoming an actor, more writing?
Opening a burger shop
At
for
some
breakfast.
level, they say all police officers are actors, and I think you have to be a fairly good one to be in the police.
एक सवाल और, वो ये था कि कभी हमारा मुल्क या ये शहर क्राइम फ्री हो सकता है अगले 100 साल में, 2 साल, 200 साल में?
No, because I think you know, crime is fundamentally an issue that is connected to socio-economic change, right? And that's there. So to say that, you know, you will go to zero crime doesn't happen. It's not a realistic thing. What you can do anywhere in the world, what people do is that you kind of reduce the you know, if it's a graph, you reduce the oscillations, right? So you try and level it out as much as possible. But crime free वाली देखो ना, अब लंदन में डिबेट चल रही है कि इस वक्त आप लंदन में चले जाएं तो लंदन में ज़्यादा फ़ोन छिन रहे हैं निस्बतन कराची के. Look, one of the things I've always said about Karachi is couple of, and I find it very interesting that if you were to compare and contrast the sort of extreme economic downturns that we've seen in Pakistan, on paper, your crime situation should be far worse because there is disparity of wealth, there is disparity in incomes, you have these dips in the economy. तो उसमें तो मतलब आपको things should have been a lot worse, right? I'm not justifying that कि जी पुलिस ने बड़ा वो किया है, but things honestly should be a lot worse because if you look at other parts of the world, much smaller dips lead to much greater oscillations in the crime.
ये कल की अखबार में सुबह सुर्खी दे दें कि उमर शाहिद अहमद ने बयान दिया कि कराची पुलिस लंदन पुलिस से बेहतर है मोबाइल फोन का डेटा
है। मैं और नहीं, मैं आपको ये एक अगेन एक एनेक्डोट से साबित करता हूँ। आई हैड अ फ्रेंड whose house got burgled in London, right? उनके को लैपटॉप 2-3 ले गए, बड़ा फ्लैट स्क्रीन टीवी शीवी मतलब पूरा सफाया कर दिया। थाने गए वो, जौन सा भी उनका लोकल थाना बनता था, तो वहाँ उन्होंने कहा जी हमारे घर तो अंदर पाकिस्तानी, उन्होंने कहा जी हमारे घर तो डाका पड़ा है। उन्होंने कहा अच्छा, उन्होंने कहा डू यू हैव इंश्योरेंस? उन्होंने कहा यस। दैट्स फाइन, हम आपको एक रिपोर्ट लिख देंगे एंड यू कैन क्लेम द इंश्योरेंस। उन्होंने कहा नहीं, मतलब व्हाट अबाउट द इन्वेस्टिगेशन? उन्होंने कहा वेल वी कीप इट ओपन फॉर अबाउट 48 आवर्स और समथिंग, उसके बाद जो है वो ऑटोमेटिकली मतलब कोई, एंड उस 48 आवर्स में इट्स नॉट लाइक द डिटेक्टिव्स वर रनिंग अराउंड सेइंग अच्छा भाई किसी ने वो टीवी
एरिया
नहीं बेचा है,
सीसीटीवी जियो फेंसिंग।
उन्होंने कहा बस ठीक है, आपको इंश्योरेंस मिल जाएगी ना, इसका हल आपके यहाँ चोरी हुई है, इसका हल है इंश्योरेंस। हाँ, आपको किसी ने मारा होता या आपकी यू नो लाइफ, वो फिर हम उसको इन्वेस्टिगेट करते। On our side, despite all of the criticism that we receive externally and that we give to our own force internally, आपकी फिर भी यार बड़े बड़े केसों में रिकवरियाँ हो जाती हैं। ऑनेस्टली आपने ये देखा है कि हम पीछे पड़ते हैं, कुछ ना कुछ कहीं ना कहीं से कुछ चीज़ रिकवर, बंदे भी पकड़े जाते हैं, उससे कोई चलो 100% नहीं होती तो 30%, 40%, दीज आर अनहर्ड ऑफ फिगर्स। सो यस, आप कल की सुर्खी यही लगाइएगा कि कराची पुलिस इज बेटर देन लंदन पुलिस।
Good to know. Good to know.
अच्छा Umar, I have one more question to ask you. Will smart policing make conventional policing stupid?
नो, आपका क्या ख्याल है इसमें?
मेरे ख्याल में स्मार्ट पुलिसिंग हमें चाहिए। आपने पंजाब में जिस तरह बोला है, राइट, एंड वी सीन दैट इन्वेस्टिगेशन, फेशियल रिकग्निशन, ट्रैफिक मैनेजमेंट, अदर थिंग, डेटा फ्लो, देयर इज सो मच गोइंग ऑन देयर बिकॉज आई विजिटेड देयर सेफ सिटी एज वेल, and I feel that we need that here, and smart policing can take you towards preemptive policing. 1.5 is reactive policing, and crime is occurred, call was made, and then we reacted. With smart policing, we can probably preempt that crime while it is happening or before it's happening, and we can react or preempt it. So from that point of view, acha, one more question to you. Do you want to ask another question from me?
यार तुम पुलिस में ही भर्ती हो जाते।
यार मैं आना चाह रहा था,
बहुत
वालिद
अच्छा
साहब,
सवाल है।
अच्छे अच्छे आइडिया थे
पता नहीं
तुम्हारे में,
किसने किया।
क्यों नहीं भर्ती हुए?
वालिद साहब ने नहीं आने दिया।
हाय हाय।
He felt कि इस बच्चे में मार्केटिंग का ज्यादा वो है। So I am in marketing, but my heart is in policing. My soul is in marketing, but my heart is in policing.
ऐसा भी होता है।
ऐसा भी होता है। But
पब्लिक मैसेज के फॉर ऑल पेरेंट्स के अपने बच्चों को जो करना चाहिए ना उनको करने दो,
Yes,
अलाउ कर
that's-
दो।
that's
ताकि अगर
Public
वो
service
पुलिस में-
message,
Public
हाँ,
service message,
अगर वो
very
पुलिस
good.
में भी जाने दें तो
हाँ, जो उनको करना है करने दो, वरना फिर इस तरह
वाह।
के मसले होते हैं कि फिर एक आदमी जो है वो एक टॉक शो क्रिएट करता है और उसमें औखे औखे सवाल पूछता है लोगों से पुलिसिंग के बारे में, और ये तो इसलिए फॉर ऑल यू पेरेंट्स आउट देयर, प्लीज अलाउ योर चिल्ड्रन टू डू व्हाटएवर दे वांट। वो एक्टर बनना चाहते हैं, पेंटर बनना चाहते हैं, या अगर वो अली मंजूर की तरह पुलिस अफसर बनना चाहते हैं तो आप प्लीज उनको इजाजत दें,
पूछिए,
इस मुल्क का भला ही होगा।
So, Umar, thank you so much for coming today. It was so much fun. I really enjoyed. In fact, we all enjoyed
Yes.
watching, and I hope that the audience also enjoys this as much as we enjoyed recording this with you. And we hope to have you again also sometime soon for your next book. Anyways, I'm going to leave with a quote which they have all insisted that I put in here. A reader lives 1,000 lives before he dies. The man who never reads lives only one. This is by George R.R. Martin. Thank you. See you next week.